Shore is enjoying new contracts, which are up 10.34% this past week. It's Friday, June 7th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Home prices are up this week 16.8% to a median of $324,445. Homes listed for sale pushed up to 1,615 this past week. 246 homes are expected on the market soon, which is fewer this report than last. 210 homes went under contract at 16 days before contract this report. 167 sold over the past week at 99.5% list to sold ratio and in 17 days. Homes for rent are down to 69 at a median lease rate of $2,100 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, June 7th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next week. Take care.